Hair are the most important part of your style for everyone. They can make or break your outfits. The most important feature of your body is your face, and the thing that makes it most attractive and stands out is your hair and beard. I have also made another video on how to grow a perfect beard. Anyway, to stand out from the crowd, you have to make your hair look great. To do that, I have made a weekly hair care routine to show you guys how to take care of your hair. So here we go. Monday, use regular wash and conditioner. Use a mild shampoo to cleanse your scalp and hair. Avoid using shampoos that contain harsh chemicals, as these can strip your hair of its natural oils and lead to dryness and damage. After that, apply a conditioner to your hair, focusing on the ends. Conditioner helps to hydrate and protect your hair, making it softer and smoother. Tuesday, use oil and shampoo. Apply a small amount of oil to your scalp and hair. Oil helps to nourish and moisturize your hair and can also help to reduce frizz and promote hair growth. Some popular oils to use include coconut oil, olive oil, and argan oil. After applying, shampoo your hair as usual to remove the oil. Wednesday, use conditioner and hair serum. Apply a conditioner to your hair, focusing on the ends. And then apply a small amount of hair serum to your damp hair. Hair serum helps to protect your hair from heat damage and environmental stressors. Thursday, have oil massage and shampoo. Massage oil into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps to stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. Use shampoo on your hairs to clean your hair as usual to remove the oil. Friday, apply your weekly hair mask. Apply a weekly hair mask to your hair. This will help to deeply condition and nourish your hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and healthy. Some popular hair masks to use include avocado and honey hair mask, yogurt and banana hair mask, and coconut oil and egg hair mask. Saturday and Sunday, give rest to your hair. Avoid using heat styling tools on your hair on the weekends. This will help to prevent damage and breakage. Follow the one everywhere.